just stop recording. Yeah, I'm over this week, honestly, and it's just Monday. Like, I'm over it. I just want to not do nothing. Like, why could I have not been born into a rich family? You know, like, we rich in love and faith and all of that good, wholesome stuff, but why we couldn't be born into, like, some old oil or something? You know what I'm saying? Like, and I could just create my business. And if I wanted to go to school, then I could go ahead and do that. Just to say I'm rich and educated. But right now, I just would take rich and not having to set no damn alarm clock, honestly. Like, I'm just, I don't know. People, like, that, like, stupid stuff like that. I got this little interior light on, right? Why are people slowing down to see what I'm doing? Like, why do you care? You know what I'm saying? Like, what concern of it is yours? Like, nothing. Absolutely nothing. The professor, like, please tell me why this final is over, like, literally 8 chapters. Like, I would have been cool with a couple quizzes here and there over, like, 2 chapters a piece or something. But 8 chapters? Like, what? And we lucked out the last time for the midterm because the day we were supposed to come in, the weather got real bad, so he just emailed the final out to us. And they was in class talking about how they was looking stuff up in their book, but they was also looking stuff up on the internet. That's cool, but I got a bad conscience and conscious. I can never say the word. I can say it, conscience. I got a bad conscience, and I don't really do, like, the whole cheating thing. Not saying that they was cheating, because I'm definitely not trying to throw nobody under the bus. But I'm just saying, like, how you expect me to look up, and it's open book, open note, which is awesome, because if it wasn't, I'd be looking real stressed out right now. Like, it'd be real stressful right now. If I didn't have no textbook. I ordered my textbook this morning, and I'm only going to need it for, like, literally 1 class, but it's better to have that than not have it at all, because I already asked him, like, do we need the textbook? Because it's not like we've been using it. The homework, I don't need to look up nothing. You know what I'm saying? So he was like, well, your exams, everything is not in the PowerPoints. So I'm like, oh, okay. Let me go ahead and order this textbook just so I can, I'm going to need another aux cord. I haven't had this aux cord since I had this first bought this cord. I'm going to need to go ahead, just go buy the book. It was only $18. Shipping made it $25. So cool, whatever. Yeah. I'm just tired. I just want to, like, lay down and not get up until I'm completely ready to. Like I said, I've been feeling sick. I've been getting, like, this slight headache. I don't know if this bun is too tight or what, but, like, my head is killing me. I've been noticing I was grinding the mess out of my teeth. You can get from behind me. Yeah, do that. Do that. Do that. The hell? Like, why are you on me? Like, I've been grinding my teeth real bad. And then I noticed, and, like, when I release that pressure, it's like, oh, God. Like, it's making my headache. It's making my headache worse. I don't know. I've been feeling really squeamish. Like, really just nauseous. I mean, not squeamish, but really nauseous. Just, I ain't been feeling good today, honestly. I should be done with these antibiotics today, but you know me, messed around and missed the pill, or missed the day or whatever, and then I think I dropped the pill and never got it. So I probably really got like 19, 20 days of this medicine instead of the full amount. But I don't know, I just do not feel good. My head hurt. They look like they finna crash. Have you ever seen 2 planes going in opposite directions? They look like they about to crash. Like, I look, he got sick to my stomach real fast. It's too much going on. Let me go ahead and turn this light off, because the police, you know, it's not illegal. I was one of the people that thought having that light on was illegal, but it's not. cops just scare you for any and every reason. I was in there like, what is this man talking about? Like, I kept staring at him. And we kept making eye contact, but it was like, I was not that, like, I'm thinking, what am I going to wear tomorrow? What am I going to eat for dinner? What am I going to make for lunch? What am I going to do for my birthday? What shoes am I going to wear for graduation? Like, my head, like, literally, I have been on 10 trying to figure out what am I going to do. Like, I sit there and make lists all day long, but do I scratch anything off my list? No. I really have to stop. Like, I need to call the financial aid, see if they got all my documents. Need to look up when sign language courses start for the summer, or at least the fall. I want to take a break between this degree and the sign language, but we already know how me and breaks go. A little break turned into like a couple years, and that's what happened between undergrad and grad, and I really don't want to do that. So yeah. Excuse me, I need to figure out what I'm going to do for sign language classes. Start looking for a dress for graduation. If I'm even graduating, I'm still waiting to hear back if I got the okay or what. Like, if not, then he'll at least say something, so I won't be spending money, won't be trying to figure out what I'm going to do with my hair. Like, I'm already planning stuff in my head. Like, what am I doing for graduation to celebrate? My friends coming into town already. But what am I going to do, actually? Am I getting a hotel? Do I want to be closer to the city? What am I doing for my birthday? Am I traveling for my birthday? Am I staying at home for my birthday and do something here? Do I want to do the party here, or do I want to go to Chicago? I was thinking about Las Vegas. You see what I'm saying? Like, I cannot stop, and it's literally driving me up a wall, and my head is banging. I started thinking, well, maybe I'm in ketosis. Girl, you ain't in no damn ketosis the first day. Ketosis, whatever. You not in that the first day, girl. So, Dominique, just go ahead and stop. You ain't in ketosis, baby. Like, just because you ain't had no chips today, don't make you, like, on the right track. Like that guy, he's like, bitch, I lost the whole pound. You know, like, whatever he said, I lost 3 whole pounds, bitch. Like, no, dog, you ain't lost no pounds, not an inch, and your body is not in ketosis right now. You probably just got some germs in your system right now. It's making you feel all messed up. But I'm just thinking about so many things, and all I want to do is lay down. I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to go nowhere. I don't want to go to work, but I need the money. So my friends, they've been blowing my phone up. I couldn't look. I can't just sit in I don't have no desk job, honestly. I can't sit there and just text. And not saying like all people with desk jobs can do it, but on the slide, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they low-key probably could do it easier than I can. I'm constantly moving. I had, like, I want to say 10 messages. I skimmed through it. All I seen was Denver. I'm like, what the hell? What are y'all talking about Denver for? Because my birthday is in May. Bree's birthday is in June. We both want to travel. I want to go somewhere. Like, that New Orleans trip, that did me, like, all types of life. You know, like, just rejuvenated me. You know, and I have been craving a tropical isle drink. I don't know why. Like, I just don't know why. I haven't had alcohol in, like, I want to say 3 weeks. That may not seem like a lot, but y'all know I enjoy a sip of wine. And yeah, haven't had anything, especially because these antibiotics for this flu or the sinus infection or whatever it was for, because honestly I don't know which one it's for. I can't have alcohol. So, and I planned on Tuesday being the night for me to go go ahead and take a little sippy sip, but I guess I got another day since I lost that pill. And yeah, all of that. But yeah, I just been all over the place trying to figure out what am I doing with life? Like, what is going on? What should I be doing? What should I be looking for? Is it time to buy shoes? Should I wait till it's closer to the time of graduation? Maybe something cuter will come out, because I don't want to pay double. You know, like, I don't want to find something I think is cute now, and then I see something else and it's like, oh, paid for shoes twice. You know, what do I want to do for my birthday? Where are we going for a Bree birthday? How much do I got to save? When do I got to buy a plane ticket? Are we driving? Would it be cheaper to drive? What am I doing with my regimen? I'm supposed to have a whole skincare routine. Why have I not used that Skin Doctor's Ingra? Where is that black pen that I put in my backpack this morning? Like, I just cannot concentrate on one thing right now. And I have a splitting headache. I'm hungry. I honestly think I have ate under. I think I've eaten under what I'm allowed. I think for calories I'm allowed like 2,050. Yeah, like 2050. I think that's how much I'm allowed, because I have like this little app or whatever. I was thinking about going into like a calorie deficit, but I don't know if I'm prepared. I might not need to do that so soon. Because if this how I feel when I ain't ate enough food, that's not gonna work for me, because your girl not feeling good at all. Like, I had some pork rinds and I had some beef jerky. Let me tell you how fire that snack was. Because I'm like, I really want a slice of pizza from Quick Trip. But I don't know. I drove straight past Quick Trip and just went straight to campus or whatever. Get to campus. They got like this little concession place or whatever. They had these pork rinds that I seen last week. I'm like, they probably don't even taste good. It was spicy barbecue, kimchi, some type of flavored pork rind. When I say them pork rinds was straight fire, like, I don't even be saying stuff fire, but them pork rinds was like super tasteful. Because sometimes pork rinds just crunchy and dry with minimal lackluster flavor. But when I say, I don't like how both y'all driving fast up on me on each side. I don't like that. Like, when I say both of them was fire, like, both of them was fire. Them pork rinds was fire, just awesome, okay? And then I had some teriyaki, little beef jerky bites. Those are so low in calorie. I forgot that's a good snack. Like, I need snacks. I am a snacker. Like, my meals have to be prepared. That's why I like meal prepping, but I have not done it because I have not been so lazy, have not been to the store, and have not, like, made no meals or whatever. I just haven't made meal prepping, but I'll make my own meals, right? But I am definitely a snacker, like, especially since I get breaks. Excuse me. Especially since I get breaks, I like to snack. As far as juice and soda, like, I'm pretty good with not drinking juice and soda, but every now and again I just want a juice or a soda. I mean, I don't know, maybe it's because my car is older, but everybody lights hella bright and it's irking my soul. But yes, I'm not editing this. Maybe I'll have this up today, hopefully, maybe, because I'm not editing nothing. I don't think I cussed for real. That's sad when you gotta edit your videos because you cuss too much. I don't think I cussed a lot. I don't think I had a lot of breaks or pauses. But yeah, it's like he was just talking and I'm just like, can we go already? And then when he said 8 chapters for the final, like, sir, what? Why? Who did it and what for? Like, what? 8 whole chapters, and he went through each chapter and said what was gonna be on there. When I say it was like 10 things a piece, why this final 2 short essay questions? Fine, I could write. I'm not afraid of that. Give me a whole test with short answers. That's fine. I prefer that instead of multiple choice and true or false. Can't stand no damn true or false questions. I really cannot. Like, they just give me anxiety because I'm one of those people that second guess a lot. And we just got our midterm back last week, and I was like, well, I had the right answer, but obviously I scratched it out, right? The light's green. The hell? Why are you on my ass though? Mamacita, you gonna have to like drive. Sorry, cause he was driving fast. No, what you doing? Come on. Hey. I don't know what you stopped for. Your whole front end, a whole 18-wheeler got all the front 10 of its tires out. What you stopping for? Might as well go. What was I saying? Never mind. Goodbye.